Good morning, children. Let's continue with exercise 16D. Question number 3. Find the probability of the following when a dice is thrown. First is even number. Now, as we know, in a dice there are in all 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, out of those 6 numbers, 3 numbers are even 2, 4 and 6. So, the probability formula is number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes, that means even numbers. So how many even numbers are there? 3. So 3 is in the numerator. Possible outcomes, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 outcomes are there. On reducing this, result is half, 1 by 2. Similarly, second one is odd number. As we know, 1, 3 and 5. These are the odd numbers when we throw a dice. Now, probability of this odd number is, now number of favorable outcomes, they are 3. Total outcomes, they are 6. So, total outcomes will always be 6. Now, reducing it 1 by 2. Next is composite number. Now, composite number again 1 to 6. 1 to 6, what are the composite numbers there? 4 is a composite number and 6 is a composite number. So, probability is number of favorable outcomes upon possible outcomes. Favorable, that means there are 2 favorable outcomes, 4 and 6. So, 2 will be numerator upon total outcomes are 6 only. Reducing it, answer is 1 by 3. Next is probability of a prime number. Now, prime number from 1 to 6, 2, 3, 5. These are 3 prime numbers. So, probability of getting a prime number is 3 upon 6. So, 3, there are 3 prime numbers upon total results will be 6. So, 3 upon 6, reducing it 1 by 2. Next, a number from 1 to 20 are chosen at random. Find the probability of choosing a prime number. Now, 1 to 20, let's write all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. So, these are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So, these are the favorable outcomes here. So, probability of choosing a prime number, that is number of favorable outcomes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon how many total numbers are there? 1 to 20. So, total 20 numbers. On reducing this, 4 2s are 4 5s are, so 2 by 5. Next question, a bag contains 75 red balls, 25 green balls, 90 blue balls. One ball is taken out from the bag at random. What is the probability that this ball is not a blue ball? First of all, number of red balls 75, green balls 25, blue balls 90. So, how many total balls are there? Adding them, it is 190. Now, out of that, we don't want a blue ball. So, that's why we are adding red and green balls. Because this is only the favorable outcome. Red and green balls. So, their total is 75 plus 25, 100. Now, let's find the probability of not a blue ball. We want red and green balls. So, favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. So, here red and green balls upon total balls. So, red and green balls, how many? 100. So, 100 upon total balls are 190. Reducing it, answer is 10 upon 19.